We're at 41 on page 610, asks us to solve this equation. This is, I'm not a big fan of these, by the way, just to let you know. I probably would never put something like this on the test, maybe. Well, you never know. But it's kind of a recognition problem. You know, I have sine, cosine, cosine, sine, negative sine. This is basically the right side of the sine of 2 theta minus theta, right? It'd be sine 2 theta, cosine theta, same sine, cosine 2 theta, sine theta. So basically, I can write this as the sine of 2 theta minus theta, which is the sine of theta. And that's it. Sine is the y-coordinate. Y-coordinate is the big square root of 3 over 2 ratio. Those 30-degree angles, so theta equals pi thirds plus 2 pi k, and 2 pi thirds plus 2 pi k. Boom.